Before we discuss today's topic, let's consider something. Have you ever sent a text or an email and then realized the recipient misunderstood what you're trying to say? Miscommunication happens more often than we think, especially in business, where clarity is crucial. In this lecture, we will explore the communication process in business and break down the key elements: sender, message, medium, receiver, and feedback. Understanding how these components work together can significantly improve your communication skills and avoid unnecessary confusion. Identify the critical elements of the communication process. Understand how each element influences the clarity of your message. Learn how mastering this process can lead to more effective communication in business. We engage in a structured process every time we communicate, whether we realize it or not. This process has 5 key elements: the sender, the message, the medium, the receiver, and feedback. Let's break each one down. Sender. The sender is the person or entity that initiates the communication. This could be you, your manager, or even an automated system sending notifications. The sender has the responsibility to decide what they want to communicate. Message. The message is the content of the communication, the information, idea, or feeling the sender wants to convey. It could be anything, from an update on a project to a detailed business proposal. Clarity in the message is key to avoiding misunderstandings. Medium. The medium refers to how the business is sent. In a business setting, this could be an email, a phone call, a presentation, or even a face-to-face meeting. The choice of medium affects how the message is received. For example, an email may not convey the tone of voice, which can sometimes lead to misunderstandings. Receiver. The receiver is the person or group who gets the message. It's their job to interpret and understand the information. The receiver's interpretation depends on how well the message was crafted and delivered. If the message isn't clear, the receiver may misinterpret it. Feedback. Feedback is the response the receiver gives to the sender. This could be verbal, written, or non-verbal, like a nod of understanding. Feedback is important because it lets the sender know whether their message was understood or if they need to clarify anything. Let me share a story to make this more relatable. A manager at a tech company once sent an email to her team asking them to prioritize the client project. Half the team thought this meant they should drop everything else and focus solely on the client, while the other half thought that they just needed to speed things up a bit. As a result, there was chaos. Some team members neglected important tasks, thinking the client's work was the only priority, while others continued with their regular work pace. The moral of the story is that vague messages lead to confusion. The misunderstanding could have been avoided if the manager had been more specific in her message. Think of communication like the game telephone, where messages are passed from one person to another and often get distorted. In business, each element of the communication process acts like a person in that game. If one part, like the message or medium, isn't clear, the entire process can break down, leading to confusion. The more precise the message and the more appropriate the medium, the less likely it is to end up garbled. Write a short email to a colleague explaining a project update. Pay special attention to clarity in your message and consider the medium you're using. Find a real-world example of miscommunication in business. Analyze what went wrong in the communication process and how it could have been avoided. Have you ever experienced a situation where poor communication confused you? What could have been done differently to prevent it? Feel free to share your experiences or examples where clear communication impacted the outcome. In summary, the communication process involves several key components: the sender, the message, the medium, the receiver, and feedback. Each part plays a vital role in ensuring the message is understood correctly. Mastering this process can improve communication in business settings, whether choosing the suitable medium or crafting a clear message. Remember, communication isn't just about talking or sending emails, it's about ensuring the message is received and understood as intended.